This project took way longer than I thought, but my chicken coop is finally done. I'll give you a tour of everything. One of the last things I did was I found this hardware online where I can adjust the windows. So I got the stainless steel door latch. Can't quite see the tile anymore because we covered it with the wood chips. And this is this so you can clean the floor better. It's a swing down chicken ramp. This is where the water tank is. It's a 15-gallon tank with the recirculating pump. This is the inside of the nesting boxes. And I have 3 poles. Before I had 3 high poles, and I got feedback that chickens like different level poles and they want to be able to jump from plump to dump. And the other thing that I did recently was I put in this, it looks like a skylight, but it's an LED panel light, 2 by 2 foot. And I couldn't do that until I had power. So what took the time was to put this trench from there all the way to the house to get power here. If you come over here, you'll see I added an exterior outlet just in case I want to do any more work. So power goes to here and then goes to that outlet on the other side. And that's how I get my power to the light and the pump. I also built this cabinet so we can store the goodies in there. And of course, tile the top. And that's pretty much it for the hen house, except I will point out there's insulation on the roof and in the walls because we're designing this to be good in the winter. So if you come around, you'll see how I enhanced my digging predator protection. So I added concrete here, and then there's also 2 by 4 inch welded fencing that goes horizontally. And this is the feeder. I have a whole video on this feeder, but it's a mailbox style. So the rain just rolls off here. There's no hinge up here. And we can put a 50-pound bag of feed in there. This is all 1/2 inch welded wire. Yes, you can't use chicken wire in a chicken coop. It's just not tough enough for predators that can just rip right through it. Stainless steel latch. Oh, and I attached the welded wire with stainless steel fender washers and Simpson structural screws. This is where the chickens will hang out. These are the chicken side of the feeding ports. The feed is all funneled there, and they reach their head in there and eat from the bottom. So they call them zero waste ports. There's some waste, but it's pretty good. And this is where the tank pumps in the water. There's these 3 nipples, insulated pipes, and they figure those out pretty fast. So we're ready to move in chicks.